If your wall angles are not standard when installing baseboards, you must measure and fit each corner individually rather than relying on preset cuts. Start by measuring the actual angle at each corner with a reliable angle finder or a sliding bevel and record it in degrees to the nearest half degree. Transfer that measurement to your miter saw by setting the saw to half of the corner angle for a miter cut so two pieces meet cleanly for butt or miter joints. For example, if the corner measures 91 degrees, set each miter to 45.5 degrees. For inside corners, consider coping one piece instead of attempting a perfect miter because coping creates a tighter long-term fit on walls that move slightly. Cut a test piece from scrap and hold it in place to check the fit before cutting the finished baseboard. Make incremental adjustments to the saw setting if you see gaps. When coping, cut the profile on the face of the baseboard with a coping saw following the profile created by the router or cutter, and then pare the back slightly so the piece slides into the mating board. Always scribe or use a thin bead of paintable caulk for very small gaps and use finishing nails to secure pieces after final fit. Homeowners often assume all corners are perfect squares, which leads to gaps when pieces are installed. Avoid this by measuring each corner and test fitting first. Another common mistake is setting the saw to standard degrees without compensating for the wall angle, which you can fix by having the measured corner angle for each miter. Finally, many people skip coping inside corners and insist on mitering every joint even when walls shift. Cope the inside corner or use a backbead of caulk and the joint will stay tight. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors, and contractors find work by listing services and project types across regions. We also host a discussion community where we share tips, ask questions, and learn from real project experiences.